Well, while roasting my rotisserie and my chicken here, I just been in correspondence with Top Mylar, Pleasant Grove Farms, and I got some really exciting news to share with you. So I've had a couple viewers in the past say that the code that they have wasn't working, BIBS, and they assured me that that is working. So they've also given me another different code that you can use. So I want to go over these two codes with you just to let you know this exciting news, which is going to be great for you. And actually, it's going to help me out a little bit now. That's great news. All right. So Top Mylar is offering for my viewers, anybody that places an order of $50 or more on their website, they use the code BIBS, B-I-B-S, and they'll get $5 off. So that's $5 off of any order of $50 or more. That's the same code that we've been using for years, and it does work. They said that that is working. Okay, but they have come up with a new offer for you. Now this is a one-time only use offer, and that is code BIBS10, B-I-B-S 10, BIBS 10, and that is going to get you 10% off of your entire order. Now that's a single use code, so use it wisely. So let me see, what would I say? So let's say you had an order of say $52. It wouldn't be wise to use the BIBS 10 because you'll get $5 off just by using the bibs. So if you're on a very large order, like for me, I order my meal pouches by the case. So that would be the perfect opportunity when I order my next case and the O2 absorbers to go with it. That would be the perfect opportunity to use BIBS 10 because I would get 10% off the grand total. And there's no limit on how much you spend in that one order. But it's only a one single use, so use it wisely. And with that code, I do earn a small commission, so that's going to help my channel out greatly. As you all know, I solely use their meal pouches. It's just a fantastic, convenient bag. They're 7 mil thick. They are designed to hold boiling water, which is good in a survival or camping situation because that way you don't have to get pots and pans and plates and all that stuff out. You just add your water to the meal pouch, seal it up, let it all reconstitute, rehydrate, and when it's ready you open it up and they're shallow and wide, so it's kind of like eating out of a bowl right from the pouch. And I just love the convenience of them. So like I say, they're 7 mil thick, designed for boiling, and they're convenient. And Top Mylar is a really quality company. I have had nothing but good experiences with them. If I ever had a question or you have a question, just shoot them off an email, contact them, and they'll get right back to you. They've always got right back. They're very friendly, very quick to ship, and I am impressed with their product. As you know, I mean, people who watch my videos know that even before I was compensated, I always recommended Top Mylar. So I just wanted to share this with you, a quick video, because I want you guys to enjoy the benefit. I'll get a little bit of benefit from the BIBS 10 code, and everybody win. That's perfect, isn't it? Everybody wins, and you'll get a quality product. You won't be disappointed. So with that being said, go on over to topmylar.com. TOPMYLAR.com. Give them a visit and check out their products. You'll be impressed. Thanks for watching, and you'll be seeing this rotisserie chicken in one of my upcoming videos. I'll see you then.